How you doing? In this video I'm just going to walk you through some of the exercises I would do in a class. So the first question tells us that we need to highlight the column for customer name and identify the duplicates. So I just go to Home, Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules, and then I go down here and I choose Duplicates. Okay. Now you can see here in this case we only have one duplicate, which is Sinead Fahey. Okay. So that's number one. And just duplicate in this scenario just means it's more than once. That's what the duplicate means. Okay. For the second option, we're asked to highlight, select the column order number and find all the orders between 70 and 80. So go up here to Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules, and I choose between. And I'm typing in 70 and 80. But you also choose a different set of numbers there if you want to, or have them in a cell. I'm just going to choose a different fill from the drop down here. Number 3 says highlight, select the customer name and find all the customers with bikes in their names and apply a format of your choice. So I want to make sure the format is different from the last one. Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules, and this time I choose text that contains. I just type in bikes, right? And I just choose this case. I'm going to go to a different color, custom format, and I choose fill, and I'm just going to choose this nice purple. Click OK. That's probably a bit strong, so I might just choose something else. Custom format, and let's say choose something maybe a softer green. Click OK. OK. The next one we have is highlight the month column and highlight all the January entries. So click up here, Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules, and we're looking for equal to. All right, and just type in Jan. Okay, and again, I'm just going to choose maybe custom format and choose one of these other colors again. I do just like the fill colors because they jump out at you straight away. Now, the next one we have is highlight the price column. Okay, so here we are. And locate all the bikes with a price greater than or equal to 250. Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules. Now this time I need to go down to an option that says More Rules. All right, I need to go to an option down here that says greater than or equal to. I type in 250 here. And again, just choose a format and then click OK. There you have it. Then identify all the bikes with the word speed in their description. So go up here to this one. And again, you go into Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules, text that contains, and you just type in speed. And again, I'm just going to choose from one of the drop downs here. And identify all the bikes where the quantity was less than or equal to 3. So for this one I'm going to do, I'm just going to put 3 up here in this cell. Okay, and I'll just have quantity beside it. Okay, and that can just make it a little bit useful. And I just highlight the quantity, Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules. And again, we need to go down to More Rules, less than or equal to. And this time, instead of typing 3 into the box, I click 3 up here. Okay, and I choose Format. And this time I'm going to choose, let's say, a shade of this blue. And the very last one is identify all the duplicate entries in the product code. You should only have 2 non-duplicates. So go up here to Product Code, just Formatting, Highlight Cells Rules. Again, just choose Duplicate. And I'm just going to choose a different color again. Maybe this orange. And click OK. Right. So that essentially gives you a flavour of how you could apply conditional formatting. Hope you find it useful. Mind yourself. Take care. Bye.